give you 4 minutes. Timer. Get set. Is everybody ready? Does everybody have their microphone?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
All right. Your time has started. This one seems to be a little bit harder than the other one. I almost feel like I need to give you more time. It's a little bit harder, but I think y'all can do it. Oh. Okay, never mind. A lot easier than I thought. Y'all can do it. Y'all have about a minute, 20 seconds-ish left. I've seen a couple people getting really close. Y'all have about 10 seconds left.
3 different ways.
You did 3 different ways?
I'm not gonna get them because they all end up being
Alright. Pull up. We might draw more 6 this time. 5. I was only going to draw 4 if we didn't get it, but I might draw 5 if we don't get it because I know some of you do have it. Alright. That's okay. 2. Who's 2? Anna, you want to try?
Oh my god.
It's 5 times what? What would you say?
She got. Oh, she said plus.
Oh, I thought she said 15 times 6.
I thought 90.
How do you go back?
Um,
Oh, gotcha. You said 15 plus 6. Oh, I did it wrong, I guess. Now I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning. Where's our other? It's more complicated than you think.
5 times 3.
5 times 3.
What?
Where did that come from? Okay.
Okay, we obviously know. No, it's not exactly.
It's okay.
It's very sensitive.
It is very sensitive. Okay, 5 times 3. We have 15.
15 plus
15 plus 6.
Oh, no.
You want to go back? Alright.
Oh, tell me
21 plus 8. Between minus 8. Which one do you want to do? Or you see it's not going to work? Not going to work? Okay. Gotta make sure y'all can see it.
I know this one because I have no clue.
Alright, I'm going to draw somebody else. 3. Who's 3? Amy, you want to try? You want to try? Okay, what do you think? Aiden, Ashton, let's let Amy try. What do you think, Aiden? What do you want to go with first? You want to spin the wheel? No? You want me to call on somebody else? Yeah. Yeah. 21. Ashley, you want to try? Okay. 6 plus 3.
Oh no, it's very good.
And 9.
That's 22.
What you thinking?
22.
Does she have it?
Whoa!
Ashton.
I was too off too.
Alright, we'll try it again.
That's why I got it. That's why I got it.
Ashley was close.
I was close to like 2.
She was only 2. Alright, that's 3, 6. Maybe I'll draw 5. Maybe not 4. Number 5. Who's 5? See that? 8 plus 5. We got 13. 13.
That's what I was going for, but I didn't know what 13 times 3 was.
Gotcha. 39. 39. 39. 33. Not quite there yet. Okay, I'm gonna draw one more. 12. Who's 12? Kayan.
Don't worry, I did not write it down. Don't worry.
Do you want to try, or do you want to call on somebody else?
I want to try.
You want to try? Okay.
8 times
8 times 3.
Okay.
Okay.
We got it.
Okay, we got it, but what are we going to do with 6 and 5? Alright, listen. Okay, 24 has to stay the same. Kayan's going.
Okay.
What do you think we have to do to keep 24 the same? How do you keep the same number? How do you make a number stay the same?
5. I mean 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. And then 24 times 1. That's right. That's the same thing I did. You got right.
I didn't do that at all because I did not know to do it.
That was a very good plan.
Not what I said. I don't even remember. I got the answer right.
Well, I did 3 ways. I was the best.
When they get it, what do they get?
Buddy lunch.
Buddy lunch. Okay.
That was the best guess.
All right. Okay. Focus up here. Thank you, Amy. Thank you, Zenobia.
I'm on my pencil. Not again.
Okay. So keep your whiteboard soccer marker out. I know a lot of you just put it up out of habit. Keep your whiteboard soccer marker out. All right, and then we're gonna do a kind of. I'm not gonna say like game because I don't call it a game. It's a fun activity.
That's kind of like a game.
But we have to keep ourselves in check, right? So we have to remember 3rd grade expectations. Someone tell me 2. I want 2. 3rd grade expectations for when you're playing a fun activity in a classroom. Cesar. Be fair. Okay, that's a good one. Ashton. And be a good sport. Okay, I'll take one more. Michael.
If you lose, whoever game's over, don't be calm and don't go wild.
Be calm and don't go wild. I think that's a perfect thing to say.
You just said.
Okay, so I want somebody at each table to pick up the first iPad on the pile. And whoever's iPad it is the iPad y'all are using. So whoever's iPad it is the one that is going to use the iPad to submit answers. So there just should be one iPad out. When you're ready, I want you to have your hands folded like this on your desk. Let me know you're ready. Let me know you're ready.
I did.
I don't see but 1 table, 2 tables, 3 tables that are ready. 4 tables. We have 7, and I only have 4 tables that are ready. All right.
We're all going to answer one question and then we're going to put it
I wonder if I would have to do team or player versus player. Since we're only playing on one iPad, we're doing. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so what is that?
Okay. So whoever's iPad, whichever iPad, since you're using yours, right? Oh, that's Aiden's. Okay, so whoever's iPad it is, I want them to type in Kahoot.it. I'll write it on the board.
I already have it into mine.
Kahoot.it for to get to the Kahoot page. You'll go to like the first little link at the top of your search bar.
607.
Yes. What do you want to do?
When you're in, what should you do? What did I tell you to do last time when I told you you were ready? Ooh. Caleb's table has it.
Alright, I just
Jordan had it.
okay. I don't know how to do it.
Okay, and if you are ready, oh wait, we can put it up. We can do regular math. Michael.
I prefer right here.
Thank you, Amy. Thank you, Zenobia. Same people it seems to be. We're not putting a pin yet. I mean, you can if you've already gotten that far, but like I haven't told y'all for a minute.
Where's Mr. Webber up there?
All right. All right. Okay. So when you get to the screen, it tells you to type in your pin. If you've done that, then it's going to ask you to come up with a name. You need to, Ashley, you need to whisper with your group and come up with a name. Whisper. What is a whisper? What level is that? Raise your hand and tell me.
Wait, you put your right hand?
You can't talk with your people at a level 0. Okay, so whisper with your teammates. I'm going to give you about a minute to come up with a group name. And whenever you come up with one, it should pop up over here. Okay? Oh,
Could have done emoji.
Wait, just guess what our name
Question 1. Is 1 out of 2
Not T. Nickname where.
Alright, y'all should be in now. Who's ready? Raise your hand. I know.
You already locked him into a question.
Are you in?
Yes, I am.
It says it's 1 out of 2.
Alright, go.
There's only 6 people.
Alright, y'all should all be, well, we're waiting on one group. I think this group, yeah, it's this group, because we have 6 already, we need 7. No, it's not you, it's them. Okay, now y'all are going to have to sit back down. Y'all are going to be able to stand up because y'all are going to end up getting too excited and hit somebody.
I'll be there.
Okay, now, okay, focus, up here. Now that you're in, I want to explain how it works because I know y'all have done it before. Okay, yeah, I heard it Spanish. Okay, so I know y'all have done it before. So remember, the question and the answers pop up over here. But on your iPad, all you're going to see are the colors or shapes. Like you're not going to see the Spencer, you're not going to see the answer written out. Okay, so you're going to have to look up here. The answer could be in red, blue, green, I don't know, purple. And let's remember we're not calling out. It's going to be fun and we're going to have fun doing it, but do we need to remember 3rd grade expectations? Okay, well, do we yell out in Spanish too?
No.
So we're not going to do it while I'm up here, are we? Okay. So, remember, your answers and stuff are going to come up here. You're not going to see anything but answer choices and colors on your iPad. Okay. So when we start, you're going to have to talk with your group. You're going to have about a minute and a half. So if you're arguing about an answer, you might want to say, okay, we're going to be a democracy, and if 3 people vote that we're going to do it, we're going to do it. Okay? All right, and remember, what level do we need to be at? Michael, we're not yelling out. 1. Kyla.
Or you can do sign language if you know them.
All right, we're about to start. Are you ready?
Yeah. I need to be. You're not gonna be clicking.
Are you ready? Is 1/2 equivalent to 4/8? On your iPad, it'll show you yes or no, and it'll be a red or a blue.
No.
Yeah. Wait, let me think.
It says.
I think it is. I would say
It never goes that
This is where your timer is. Once this runs out, you're not going to be able to submit anything.
Okay.
The quicker you submit and the more correct your answer is, the faster or the more points you'll get.
That's why I don't
We got 5 answers, 6 answers. Waiting on 1 person or 1 group. Alright, raise your hand if your group is football.
What's wrong with that? You're not knowing equivalent fractions and
Thank you, Ashton.
Oh, Jordan.
Thank you, Caleb and Chloe and Charlene. So every time you're gonna come up here and your name's gonna pop up, and whether you answered it correctly or not, it'll pop up. Okay? Number 2, 3/6 is equivalent to 1/2. True or false?
True.
Someone's answering really, really quickly.
It's been like 2 seconds. Already. It's been like 5 seconds.
We're just waiting on one more person. One more table. We have 7 groups. There's 7 answers. So, oh, there it goes.
Wait, we're 11 points behind. We're still
Thank you, Chloe. Whenever we're finished, we can celebrate, but does that mean we jump up and down? No. I'm glad you're happy that you got it right, but we have to be able to bring it back down and move your focus back up to the board, okay? Their name is football. Stop doing that.
Board.
All right, remember on some of them, are you listening? Up here, focus. Some of them you're going to need to write out, like maybe draw a picture. That's why your whiteboards are out. So if you need to draw a picture, you can draw a picture. Or need to write something that's going to help you. Question 3. What fraction is equivalent to 1/3? And then it's going to come up the answers. 5/8, 4/5, or 2/6.
2/6. Wait, no, okay.
And you get 3. You said 3? Yeah, I really don't know. Maybe if you just write one group,
Remember,
maybe
you
you
don't
should
want
write
anybody
5
else
groups.
to know your
4
answer.
groups.
So if we yell out the wrong answer, I mean, that could help you in a way. Other people listen
I think it'd be
to
like,
you.
nope. I
But
know
we
it
don't want
really.
to yell out our answers because then other people can get it right and they can get more points back.
I think it's 2/6. I don't know.
We're waiting on 2 more groups. It looks like Cam Newton went up one. Did you go up one? You're Cam Newton. I just assumed. Shining. What are we supposed to do when we bring it back in? Level 0. Thank you, Sebastian. So, when we bring it back in, we're going to be at level 0 until the next question so that we can focus and we can think. We can think through math.
Very fun.
Equivalent fractions are
Equivalent fractions are.
different fractions that represent different numbers, different fractions that represent the same numbers.
Equivalent fractions.
You can't really see it, but down here it says number. Oh, y'all are answering this one quick. Y'all must really know what equivalent fractions are.
I need to be ghostly because I'm bad at practice.
That was a little bit better than last time. Who is Cupcake? Raise your hand.
I came up with
I was curious. I thought y'all were cupcake, but I wasn't sure.
No, I think
Is 5/10 less than, more than, or equivalent to 2 nights? Draw a picture if you need to. This one's going to give you a little bit more time so that you can draw your picture.
I know my friends. Oh, never mind. Well, she made the answer, so I erased it.
Is 5/10 is more than or less than? 5/10 is more than.
I like the picture. I like the picture. Y'all can draw the picture also and really get a good idea of which is right.
I didn't really make you.
Now we're gonna be here all day.
More or less.
5/10 is more than 2 months.
4 of you have submitted it, maybe.
I pressed the yellow.
1. No, it's 4.
Yellow.
Y'all have about 40 seconds left to figure it out.
5/10 is
5
more
people.
than
6 people. We're waiting on one more group.
Oh, luckily I can learn from it.
It's in here right now.
Yeah, you are wrong.
Alright. Shining. Since a lot of you, or not a lot of you, but some of you didn't really get this one correct, I'm going to do it up here. And I want you to see if y'all can figure it out with a little bit more time. Okay, I'm a little bit like Miss Nuovo. I can't draw.
Can do the same thing. They're perfect.
Okay.
It looks like a chocolate bar. It is a chocolate bar.
You're fine. There is an art class here, so you can always take that class.
I love her. Do you get number 4? Check that for chocolate. I don't like chocolate. No, you get number 4 too. You don't do it.
Alright. Is 5/10 more or less than 2 nights? Or equal to? It's more. What is 5/10 equivalent to? Someone raise your hand. Spencer. Ashton, that's a little. Half is right. Next time, you know, let's. Gotcha. So you're right, a half. So we should have all put more than.
I got everything.
I don't think anybody's gonna knock football out of the lead. But Cupcake keeps going up. It only shows the first 5 groups. It is 3/4, equivalent to 6/8.
I'm not even gonna do it.
Yes or no?
No.
I like it. Draw it. That's a good idea. You have the time.
I thought well, y'all two told me. Yes. Yes, my crazy.
Everybody else is gonna know what to do. Okay, well let's not yell at the answer so that everybody has might try to steal your answers. Are you drawing pictures too, Michael? Well, Spencer's still drawing. He's trying to figure it out for sure.
Yes. How about you write it out?
Alright, we're waiting on 2 more groups. Let's see which table remembers what they're supposed to do.
Y'all two are
I got everything else.
I got 3 tables. It took one table a little bit to get it, but they got it. They got all their group on board because they were using team effort. Team effort. 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. Yes. Uh-oh. Cam Newton and Cupcake, what? Y'all battling it out.
Cam Newton.
2 nights is more than 3/8. True or false? True or false? Jordan's over here using his cards. Using his resources. Why don't you try and draw it so we can figure it out?
2 nights.
Wait,
Well, we can use the, but -1 could work still.
2 people already answered. Almost quit.
that's false. Hope it's right. I'm back.
We're waiting on 2 more groups. I'm looking to see who remembers what they're supposed to do.
Yes, it's more. It's more.
I'm so proud of y'all. Michael, sit down. I got 4 tables. I'm not sure if I'm going to pick the table that wins or if I'm going to pick the table that behaved best to get dum-dum. So we'll see. We'll see. All football would have to do was miss 1, and then any of y'all could jump up and beat them. So y'all need to make sure that you're answering correctly and you're answering as quickly as possible, but making sure you're answering most importantly correctly, because if you don't answer correctly, you go down. Alright, are you ready for the next question? Is not equal to 2 halves.
No, let me call this out.
True or false?
No, let me call it out. We're not sure.
You have to think about it. It's kind of tricky. What is 20/20 equal to, and what is 2/2 equal to? Well, every time you change it though, you'll end up losing points. Because you'll be answering slowly.
They're equal.
But that means they're equal.
I pressed it right in
Some people really want some dum-dums. 10. Alright, since some of us got it wrong, not more than half, but quite a few of us did, I'm going to do it up here just real quick. You'll see what I mean. It's not as difficult as you think. I'm going to pretend this is split up into 20s. Okay? That's going to be split up into 20, okay? Y'all see that? How many is that split up into? 20. How many is that split into? Okay, now the first one says 20 out of 20. So how many do I color? Okay, so I colored the whole thing. For 2 out of 2, how many do I color? All of it. So is it the same? Yes. What is that equal? One whole? One whole? Look, there's an upset. Look how close y'all are. Y'all are 2 points away. All right, I think there might be 2 more. 2 more. There's 2 more. What fraction is the model showing? And it's going to be a picture. Let me see if I can move it a little. Can y'all see that? Okay, then people can't see behind you. 2/3. 3/8. 4/6. 5/8.
That was kind of easy.
Alright, I want everybody to do a little self-pat on that. That was very nice. I'm so happy that I got that one right. What did I tell you? There was going to be an upset. Now, look, y'all are a good 100-ish points away. Last question. Is 6/8 less than, more than, or equivalent to 5/6? Draw a picture if you need to. This one is difficult. You're going to have to think. Draw it out if you need to. Don't just guess. You're going to have to draw it out. You're probably not going to be able to picture it in your head. I like how y'all are using 2 different ways of trying to figure this out. You trying to figure it out too? Okay, try and find the other one. What's that other one?
Just say that you want to be.
What do you think?
You could draw it.
I got it more than
Did you already answer?
I think it's more than I don't think you want to
the other one, and there's only one left. Well, I did that.
So what was it? It was less than. I'm gonna do it up here. Focus up this way.
I did it all out on my board.
Caleb, can we come up here and show in the rectangles? Split them up for me and show me how 6/8 is less than 5/6. Why, Caleb, everybody, especially since a lot of us got this one wrong. And it's okay to get it wrong, but we want to make sure we know how to fix it and know how to do it next time.
There's 8, but sort of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's
There might be a big upset when we look at the scoreboard.
There's 2 What's the other person?
You don't know if you're still in first place.
Yes, we do. It's listed on the board.
Does it?
It's over here.
Oh.
Repeating the second place again. Then here's 6, and we erase 5 of them. There's only 1 left, which says there's 2, and there's 1, which says it's higher. That means it's oh, it is left hand. I did it the wrong way. Whoops.
So which one? Which label? Which one's which?
Wait, now let's see. This is should it be equal?
This one 5/6. This one 6/8. Go ahead and label it. 5/6.
Should be equal.
Excuse me, Joseph. Okay. Look at Caleb's picture. It's kind of hard to see just because we're all not amazing artists. I mean, at least I'm not. You can kind of tell that right here goes a little bit past the 6/8.
I'm leaving this on my
So which one's more?
Wow.
Which one's more?
5, 6, 8.
Okay. Let's see. Raise your hand if you think it is 6/8 is more than 5/6. How, Spencer? Why do you think 6/8 is more than 5/6?
Yeah, because he thinks the other numbers are
I'm going to use this clipboard. Joseph, can you stand your bottom so that everybody can see behind you? I know it's a little difficult. Okay, this is 5/6, this is 6/8. Spencer is saying that 6/8 is more than 5/6. Is 6/8 more than 5/6?
No.
No, because there's this little space right here, right? Which, you want that? So that's all that 6/8 does. This is 5/6 right here. And if you drew a line down, all that would be not accounted for. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So which one's more? Maybe I need to draw a better picture. I'm going to draw it for the people that are still a little confused. I'm so confused. I heard it. Let's use a different color. is it better? Can you see it better now?
Yeah.
Which one's more? Which one's more? Okay. I think everybody said 5, 6 this time. Podium. Cam Newton got 6,686 points. Football got 6,597 points. So Cam Newton's team, I'm guessing, y'all are part of his team. Y'all are part of Cam Newton's team.
You should get
Okay.
a family.
Y'all can grab a dum-dum. Now, if there was something that you weren't exactly sure about, like maybe the couple of ones I did up on the board, 5, 6, and 6, 8, maybe you need to go back and review that before your test, because your test is when? Next week, right? Next week. Your test is next week, so you do have a little bit of time to study for it if you're not sure, right? And if we didn't get something right, what are we going to do? Someone raise your hand, tell me what we're going to do. If we didn't get something right. Raise your hand. Jordan. Study. Was it unwrapped? I wish we had some kind of pet we could give it to, but just throw it in the trash. Alright, so now the y'all are I was very proud of y'all getting one of them all the way right. But now you're gonna put up your whiteboard sock and marker. Clear off your desk. I don't think you need your binders anymore, right? Y'all can go ahead and put away your binders. What did you write it down? Okay. All right. We can be. We got this. We know we did it. Check. You can do it in your mind. Check. Check. There you go. I'm waiting for the first table that has all their stuff cleared off their desk.
No, that's my glue.
All right. You can go ahead and we're gonna do Think Through Math on our iPads. I told y'all to put everything up just so that y'all would not have your binders out and your whiteboard sock and markers out. Oh, and they also need their journal, their math journal. Get out your math journal. We all won, right? They were going back and trying to re-put it in, right? Oh, wow. Yeah, they have their math journal. Caleb, is that your math journal?
What if it was a
Think your math journal. You should have, look at y'all. Very good. Girls Rule came in 3rd. Cupcake came in 4th.
We came in 7th.
Did you? Oh. Alright, so y'all want to think through math. Where did you put it in a safe place? Did you check in your owl binder?
Oh, and give it a little paper.
You don't have another one you can use? It's not in there.
Sebastian Reed.
Well, check in your binder.
You make fun of that. I mean, oh no, wait.
No, that one. Okay, look through there before we say we don't have it.
This band.
It's whose? No, it's not this. Skyla, should our math binder?
I can't write it.
Your book won't fit in your binder. Oh, okay, I see. Here's the purple. Here's the purple one. I got you.
I don't get these. I don't get it.
Here, I'll show you. Which one is this? This one doesn't have an eraser. You want one with an eraser? You want this one? I'm coming. Oh, okay, so Sebastian reminded me, and some of you don't have your password or your username or Think Through Math, you should have written it on the inside of your journal. Michael, do you have it right here? I don't want them to log in and steal all your answers. You didn't write it in there. Well, why not? Okay, well, this time when you get your password, we're going to write it in here. So I think someone has that book. Ashton, can Michael have that real quick? Yeah. Did you write it on your front cover?
I don't.
It's Think Through Math.
It's gonna be hard.
It does. They call it Think Through Math. I think they're piloting it this year. And it goes through the journal. They have a journal that they'll show their work in for the day. Make sure you put your the date at the top of your page.